Dear students, let us continue problems from straight lines. See, you have seen how to find slope of the line passing through 2 points. Formula is m equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Correct, no? From that, we have worked certain problems. Continue that one. Let me give the number 1. Right? Show that the points, slowly, show that the points, A 2, 7, B minus 1, minus 2, and C 5, 16 are collinear. If the points are collinear, we have seen in the last class, if the points are collinear, no doubt slope of the line AB must be equal to slope of the line BC. Or actually we can say like this, slope of AB equal to slope of AC, and just see. So, find out the slope of AB. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 formula. Slope of AB is minus 2 minus 7 by minus 1 minus 2 minus 9 by minus 3, or it is 3. Slope of BC, same formula. This is y2 now. 16 minus 2 by 5 minus 1, or it is 18 by 6, 3. Conclusion is, since slope of AB equal to slope of BC, ABC are collinear. ABC are collinear. If 4 points are given, let me write. Show that the points, second one. Show that the points A1, 3 B minus 2 minus 3 C 5, 11 and D 0, 1 are collinear. Three points are collinear. Slope of AB equal to slope of BC. 4 points are given. A, B, C, D. Show that the points, 4 points are collinear. Slope of AB equal to slope of CD. Slope of AB, slope of CD are equal. So AB, CD are collinear. Don't write that. Why? Because if you find slope of AB, it may be equal to slope of CD. But AB, CD are not collinear here. They are parallel. Then also you get the slopes are equal. Right? So, what you have to do here is, take the common point A. Find the slope of AB, AC and AD. Like that you have to do. A is the common point. Don't change it. AB, slope of AB, slope of AC, slope of AD. If all the three are equal, no doubt they are collinear. Right? Don't find slope of AB and CD separately. They may be parallel. They need not be collinear. In the case of 3 point, there is no other alternative. You are stopping the slope of first line by B, and for the second case, it is the initial point. From B itself you are starting. But here what you are doing? You are finding slope of AB, over, finish. You are again starting from CD separately. If you find like this, then it's okay. Slope of AB, BC, CD, then it's okay. Find 3 slopes, AB, BC, CD. Because the common point will be there, no? Then it's okay. Right, let me write like this. Slope of AB, once you write the formula, enough. Slope of AB minus 3 y2 minus y1 x2 minus x1 minus 6 by minus 3 2. Slope of BC, let me do like this. Formula same, but BC 11 minus of minus 3, 5 minus of minus 2, 11 plus 3, 5 plus 2, 14 by 7, once again 2, no doubt. Slope of CD, AB, common point B, common point C, then it's okay. But don't take AB separately, CD separately, without finding this one. Slope of CD, C and D, 1 minus 11 divided by 0 minus 5. Or it is minus 10 by minus 5, once again 2. Conclusion is here. Since, conclusion let me write here. Since slope of AB equal to slope of BC equal to slope of CD, A, B, C, D are collinear. So in the case of 4 points, you have to find 3 slopes. You have to find 3 different slopes, and if they are equal, then say their points are collinear. Yes? Next, problem number 2 is over. Third one. If A 1, 7, B minus 1, 3 and C K, 11 are collinear, then find K. Another type of problem. Already they have given the points are collinear. You have to find the value of K here. In the previous case, show that the points are collinear. Here, already it is given they are collinear, no doubt. You have to find the value of K. Collinear means slope of AB must be equal to slope of BC. Given that, answer, given that A 1, 7, B minus 1, 3, C K 11 and A, B, C are collinear. A, B, C are collinear. Therefore, you can write the conclusion. Therefore, slope of AB must be equal to slope of BC, no doubt. Calculate slope of AB. Let me write once the formula. Don't write it 2 times. Slope of AB is how much? AB 3 minus 7 minus 1 minus 1 minus 4 by minus 2 2. slope of AB, slope of BC, slope of AB, slope of BC. 11 minus 3 divided by k minus of minus 1 equal to 8 by k plus 1. Now, slopes are equal, compare them. Slope of AB equal to slope of BC. Therefore, 2 equal to slope of AB is 2. Slope of BC is 8 by k plus 1. Or 2 into k plus 1 equal to 8. Or 2k plus 2 equal to 8. 2k, 2 into 1 is 2. 2k equal to 8 minus 2. 2k equal to 6 or k equal to 3. K equal to 3. That can also be done. Just by knowing all the 3 points, you can show that the points are collinear. If the points are given to be collinear, you can find the unknown quantity k, just by comparing the slopes. Yes, problem number 4th one. Problem number 4th. If the points A, H, 0, B, A, B and C 0, K are collinear, then show that A by H plus B by K equal to 1. Read the problem carefully. Three points are given to be collinear. Then you have to show that the relation is satisfied. A, B, C are given to be collinear. Show that this equation is satisfied. Given A, H, 0, B, A, B and C 0, K are collinear. What is your first conclusion? Therefore, slope of AB equal to slope of BC. Slope of AB is B minus 0, A minus H or B by A minus H. Slope of BC, same formula, but here K minus B 0 minus a, or k minus b by minus a. b by a minus h equal to k minus b by minus a. Slopes are equal. Cross multiplication. b into minus a equal to k minus b into a minus h. Or minus ab equal to ka minus kh minus ba minus minus plus bh. Remove the bracket by multiplying. Expansion. Clearly minus ab cancels. So you get only this. 0 equal to ka minus kh plus bh. Let me take this one to the other side. Ka kh to the left hand side. Right? Minus of becomes plus ka plus bh. Take minus kh to the left hand side. Divide throughout by kh, that's all. Divide throughout by kh. Kh divided by kh. Ka divided by kh. Bh divided by kh. One equal to k cancels. A by h cancels. B by k. Or a by h plus b by k equal to 1. A by h, b by k equal to 1. Using slope of the line, collinear, these problems you can work out. Okay, next, before starting the new topic, let me give one more example in this one. See, problem number whatever may be 5, I think. 5 or 6, give the continuous number. Find slope of the line passing through find slope of the line parallel to the line passing through A 8 1, B 10 6. Find the slope of the line parallel to the line passing through A and B. Just for the adjustment I have given this. Question is, find the slope of the line. Which line? Parallel to, see there are two lines. First one is A 8:1, B 10:6. And required line, you have to find the slope of this line, M1 you have to find, or M2 you have to find. This is M1. Particular line is given passing through 2 points. Let the slope be M1. Find the slope of the line parallel to this. What is the relation between the slopes? They are equal. So totally find the slope of the given line passing through A and B first. Write the same slope for the required line. That's all. Let me write. Given A 8,1 and B 10,6 are 2 points on the line, on the given line. Slope of the given line. Slope of the line passing through A and B. M1 equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, 6 minus 1 by 10 minus 8, 5 by 2. Now, if M2 is the slope of the required line, of the required line, then M1 is equal to M2 because they are parallel. Therefore, M2 equal to 5 by 2. Slope of the required parallel line is 5 by 2. Is 5 by 2. Enough in this video. Let us continue some more problems in the next video. Okay, thank you.